Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram organized and up to date, renaming your folders is a quick way to make your chats easier to find. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to edit a folder name on Telegram. Simple, fast, and perfect for anyone looking to tidy up their chat list. First, grab your device and open the Telegram app. Once you're inside, look for your chat folders at the top of the screen. These folders might be labeled for work, friends, channels, or any custom names you've set before. Now, find the folder you want to rename. Instead of just tapping it, press and hold. This long press will bring up a menu with different options. From here, tap on the option that says Edit Folder. This will take you straight to the folder's settings. You'll see the current folder name at the top. Tap directly on the old name, and your keyboard will pop up, ready for you to make changes. Delete the old name, type in your new one, and feel free to get creative. Add emojis or pick a title that really helps you recognize the folder at a glance. Once you're happy with the new name, look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it. That's all it takes. Your folder will now show up with its updated name in your chat list, making it easier to spot and manage your conversations. Renaming folders is a small tweak, but it goes a long way in keeping your Telegram experience organized and personal. Whether you're sorting work projects, family chats, or your favorite channels, clear labels help you stay on top of everything. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for customizing your Telegram. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized chat folders.